Welcome back to Winnfrey's kitchen, where we cook delicious meals that are very easy to prepare. If you are new here, karibu sana, and feel free to press the notification button down below so once I upload a video, you will be able to be notified. For you who's already part of Winnfrey's kitchen family, asante sana, and stay tuned for more of this delish recipe. So today I'm going to show you a simple way of preparing seasoned cabbage. Stay tuned. For the ingredients, we need shredded cabbage, 1 large onion, 1 large green bell pepper, 1 large carrot, 1 bunch of coriander, 2 large tomatoes, 1 beef cube, salt to taste. Chop the capsicum or bell pepper into julienne shape. Separate the stems from the leaves of the coriander and then chop the stems and the leaves. Grate the carrots and also the tomatoes. In a sufuria, add some oil, the onions, bell peppers, and the coriander stems, and saute this for a few minutes. Add the carrots, give this a good mix, and as it sautés, then add the tomatoes and let this cook through. After this, add the beef cube and salt to taste and let this cook well. Afterwards, add the shredded cabbage, mix this well and let it simmer for a few minutes. Ensure that the cabbage is a bit translucent but crunchy at the same time. Let it not overcook. Once cooked, garnish with the coriander leaves and your seasoned cabbage is ready. That's all we had for you today. Be sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to Winnfrey's Kitchen for more of these quick and easy delicious homemade recipes. Till next time, adios!